So just want to show you how easy it is to load up text or images or anything like that into Mattercontroller. What I've done is in MS Paint, I've done some black text onto a white background. So you just click the little icon, drag it onto the desktop here. Make sure the settings are okay. And then I'm just going to put a little plaque behind it. Our postman keeps missing our front door. So I just want to put this up there so that you can see it. That's number 58, job done. I'm just eyeballing it here because it doesn't need to be that good. The door's white anyway, so I'll just print the base on a white filament. So once this is all done, Control A it, select all, and then the little combine icon up here puts it all into one item. Then you go up to save if you're happy, and there's a little down arrow, not that one. And then you hit export, and you export this to an STL file. What this just means you can load it up into your slicer. I've got a Bamboo printer, so there's Bamboo Studio. And then as I'm preparing it, I'm going to slide this down on the side here and add a little pause in so that I can change filament, because the base is going to be white. I want the letters to be black. So by right-clicking this slider here, where is it? There. So by right-clicking this slider here, I can then add a pause in and change the filament, because I'm poor and I didn't buy the AMS system. There it is printing.